Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you honest reviews to help you make informed decisions. Today, we have an exciting printer to talk about, the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro. This 3D printer offers a host of impressive features at an affordable price. Let's dive right into the review. Elegoo made waves in the 3D printing world with their Neptune 2 model a few years ago. Priced at just $169, it offered incredible value and a printer that users actually wanted to use. However, the Neptune 3 didn't quite live up to expectations. But now, with the Neptune 3 Pro, Elegoo has come back stronger than ever. The Neptune 3 Pro comes packed with features that make it one of the easiest recommendations in the 3D printing space. It boasts a generous build volume, automatic bed leveling, a compact direct drive extruder, and effective part cooling. And the best part? It doesn't break the bank. One standout feature of the Neptune 3 Pro is its new hot end and extruder setup. Elegoo has done away with the strain gauge-based auto bed leveling and PTFE-lined hot end found in previous models. Instead, they've introduced a compact all-in-one setup with a constrained filament path, a 3-to-1 geared dual-drive extruder, an inductive bed leveling probe, dual 4010 part cooling fans, and a convenient PCB for streamlined connections. While the hot end is still PTFE lined, which limits the safe printing temperature. It's a consumable part that can be easily replaced. An all-metal heat break or a bi-metal heat break could further enhance the printer's capabilities and allow for higher temperature printing. The Neptune 3 Pro features a reliable build plate with a textured pay spring steel sheet. While it offers a standard size of 235 by 235 mm, Elegoo has made it compatible with other aftermarket plates, giving users more options. The addition of an integrated LED light bar at the top of the X-axis frame adds a nice touch and provides better visibility during printing. Part cooling plays a crucial role in print quality, and Elegoo has nailed it with the Neptune 3 Pro. The printer is equipped with dual 4010 part cooling fans that deliver effective cooling without being overly loud. This feature ensures good quality prints even at faster speeds, which is always appreciated. Now, let's talk about a few minor drawbacks of the Neptune 3 Pro. Firstly, the printer is not completely silent due to the always-on power supply and stepper motor driver cooling fans. While this might not be a deal breaker, it can be a bit annoying, especially when the printer is not in use. Secondly, the screen on the Neptune 3 Pro, although of good quality, is unnecessarily bulky. It could have been more streamlined and compact, considering the available technology. Additionally, the RJ11 cable used to connect the screen module to the base unit looks cheap and out of place on an otherwise sleek machine. Lastly, some users have reported excessive friction in the filament runout sensor, particularly with certain filaments. While this may not affect everyone, it's worth noting and can be resolved by disabling the sensor or making adjustments. In terms of competition, the Neptune 3 Pro stands strong in its price range and build volume. Its closest rivals include the Creality Ender 3 S1 Pro, which comes at a significantly higher price, and the Ender 3 V2 Neo, which falls short in various aspects. Elegoo's own Neptune 3 and Neptune 2S models are also contenders, but the Neptune 3 Pro offers a more complete package. To summarize, the Neptune 3 Pro from Elegoo is a return to form for the brand. With its affordable price, impressive features, and reliable performance, it's a 3D printer that delivers on all fronts. Elegoo has also announced expanded versions of the Neptune 3 Pro, catering to different print volume needs. That concludes our review of the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.